To hide lock screen, left shortcut when going to work routine is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap going to work routine, tap change lock screen shortcut, and then tap the blue on off switch next to left shortcut to disable this option. When the switch turns gray, it means that this option is off. Next, tap down button to save the change. By doing this, when going to work routine is on, your phone will automatically hide or remove the left shortcut from your lock screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.